In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how you can zoom out on your site and actually still make edits. Now, this can be limiting to not really being able to move around elements, but you can edit a lot of the elements within sections. And so you might know that in the upper right, there's a zoom option, and at 100%, everything feels kind of really close to you. So you can zoom out and just see your page more contained. And it would be nice if we could also make edits to our sections, and you can. If you hover over a section, there's this quick edit option. When we click quick edit, we can edit all of the contents and even a little bit of the layout of that section. So you see this first section here, we have a section background that we can change. We can change the title here, so you can literally type in and also go to text settings to edit other options, or just bold, link, and do some different alignment stuff here. You have the column background, and as you hover over these different areas on the right hand side, you can see some more information in the upper right on this little eye icon, or you can just see it highlighted out on your website so you know exactly what you're changing. And so we can change all of these different elements, even elements within elements. So these are titles and paragraphs, and within the strip, within the column in the strip, actually. Even this column background, we can click and change that. Now, I said you can't really move elements around without zooming back in, and that's true. If you start clicking in here and try to move things, you will zoom back in and not be zoomed out still, but there is a way to change the layouts of sections in this zoomed out mode. It's not perfect, but if we do select a section, like I have this top one selected, we see we have two tabs in Quick Edit, and one is Layout. And inside of Layout, you can explore more layout options for your section. So for instance, I could click on this first one here to try out this new layout. And so it adjusts the layout, but I can always go back to the one that I had currently. But we can just try some things out and see if there's any layout that we like more or less, as I'm kind of scrolling down here, looking through some different options, maybe flipping the photo to the left side, or even, adjusting things like putting it in a circle or giving it a shadow. There's some different options here that we can really just quickly edit and try out on our site. And if we don't like any of them or like the direction that they're going, we can always click back on the current layout. And so those are some options to actually be able to edit your site. And you just click on the next section and edit what you want there and scroll down and be able to stay zoomed out on your site as well. I had a zoom out tutorial on here, but I didn't actually show how you can make edits while you're zoomed out. And I think a lot of people probably want that option. And so that's how you can do that. Even your header, you can adjust that and manage the menu, of course, but edit the different elements that are within your header too with this quick edit feature. And probably the same with your footer, even though there's not much footer, but you can see you can click on the footer and edit any elements in there as well. And so that's how you can edit your site while zoomed out here on Wix.